quick learning. We will go through basic filter in Excel. So here we can see set of data having WFO like work from home. Some days we work from office and some day we work from home. So WFO work from office, department, names, employee names, site, new site or old site, and sales. So here we have set of questions like we want to find filter data as per the cell color. So cell color is what? This background color is the cell color and text color is the font color. So we want to filter data as per the cell color. Now for filter, you will go to data and filter. From here you can open filter or shortcut key is Ctrl Shift L from your keyboard, and then you will go to site, new and old. New site is color as green, old as yellow. So filter as per the color. So filter as per the new site, green color. Okay. So all green colors are highlighted. Now to filter as per the text color, here we can see text colors. Okay. So to filter that, you will click under this filter icon and go to filter color and filter as per the series colors. So if you want to change the color, you can select that. Okay. Now next question is to filter as per the Indian currencies and filter as per the sales. Here we can see set of currencies having Indian currencies, dollar, US dollar, and pound, UK pound. So now we want to filter only as per the currency. If I click here, I I will not go individually and select the currency. If data is like more than 1,000, you will not click everywhere, wherever you find rupee symbol. So for that, what we will be doing, we will be separating this rupee in different cell or column. Before that, you can see this one is currency. If I do copy and let's do copy and paste somewhere else using paste special, like I want to paste only the value, so value will be without symbol. Why? Because that's the currency and number format, so only numbers will be pasted, not the symbol. So to separate that symbol from this number, we will convert this number or currency into text. How to convert any value or cell value into text? Using function called as equal to text. Text is asking you the value which you want to convert. So value is E5. I want to convert this E5 into say text. So comma, format for this text using the currency is, let me copy this currency somewhere in notepad. It's already copied. I'm just copying that rupee symbol from the notepad. Copied, pasted here, and the numbers are 5 digit. 5 digit means hash, comma, hash, 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 point, for decimal 00. So this is the format for Indian currency. Rupee symbol, then the hash from your keyboard, comma, 3 hash, and the 2 digits. So this is the number format. Okay. Same way, hash means number before this and 3 numbers after comma, and 20 for decimal. If we don't add decimal, it will give you the value without zeros. So we want decimal too, so we will add 0.00. Okay, and close the bracket, enter. So this one is converted into text. What about this? Next, this all will be getting converted to text because this has rupee symbol, but this one is having dollar symbol. This will also give you dollar. Instead of dollar, it will give you rupees. Why? We had used the rupee symbol here. So let me just change it to dollar here. and add this dollar sign. And now we will drag this data for dollars, okay, till here, wherever the dollar symbol is. And then for this rupee, okay, rupee symbol, copy the rupees symbol and then paste here. This one is rupee, or you can drag the rupee symbol formula everywhere. Copy and paste like this. You can do that rupee, or you can do F4 from your keyboard. Same, F4 from your keyboard. It's giving without, this is with the function, so let's go for this paste. And here we will be adding the pound sign. For that I am going to copy the pound symbol and paste here as a pound, okay, and then you can drag this here. So now all currencies are pasted in a form of text and numbers are changed to text. So this one is the value. We will be using this. Now to separate this currency symbol from this value, you will be going with function called as left. Left in bracket this number and the first character. I need only the first character. Similarly goes with other symbols. Okay. Now you can filter your data. Select all this data together. Okay. So after selecting, you will go to data filter or Control Shift L from your keyboard. Let me just do it once again. Go to data filter and filter as per the currencies. So this way you can filter as per the currencies. For filter, what to filter this, we had converted the currency into text, and then from this text we divided, we took the currency part, like the first letter of that currency, and to convert that into text, cell value and the number format, and you will add the currency symbol everywhere wherever it's required. So in this way we can format as per the currency. Now from this currency, like from this data, we want to see data only for filter sales as per sales more than 15,000. For that, you will click here, go to number filter and greater than, number is greater than 50,000 and okay. So we can see number sales more than 15,000. Thank you for watching.